$5 a day. That is one fancy coffee, one fast food meal, one random impulse purchase you forget about by tomorrow. Here is what happens when you redirect that $5 instead. $5 a day is $150 per month. $150 per month invested at the market's average return of 10% per year for 30 years becomes over $340,000. $340,000 from $5 a day. That is not a typo. That is compound interest doing exactly what it is designed to do. Now here is the debt angle. That same $150 per month thrown at your highest interest debt instead of coffee cuts years off your payoff timeline and saves thousands in interest. You do not have to choose between paying debt and building wealth forever, but you do have to start redirecting that $5 today. My free guide shows you how to do both at the same time. Link in bio. $5 today.